Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named is Dog. Okay, let us start. Introduction. The dog is a widely known pet. People love to keep the dog as their pet. It has lots of importance too. People mostly love it because of faithfulness and a few other values. It has four legs, two eyes, two ears, and a nose. It can run so fast and it is an expert on catching thieves. It has a powerful smelling power. That's why police use them to find drugs, bombs, and catch criminals. Overall, the dog is a very important animal that contributes to lots of good things for us. It helps us to ensure home security. When it sees a stranger in the house, he starts to bark loudly. It can bark so loud, it is easy to raise them. Their food is available everywhere and anyone can manage this. Depending on different regions, dogs eat almost the same food that humans eat. Dog as a pet. People keep a dog as a pet in their house. There are different types and breeds of dogs. Each of them is different in its body shape and work. People mostly love to keep big and strong types of dog to ensure security. It is a very popular pet animal. It is said that a dog is the best friend of humans, and because of their friendly nature, they become popular as pets. They can be good option for older adults to spend time. My pet dog. I have got a pet dog and its name is Tommy. When Tommy was only 3 months old, my father bought him from the dog store. It has been 2 years he is living with me. Tommy has been my best friend wherever I go. He goes with me except school. He is like a bodyguard of mine. I take care of him a lot. He give his food properly and make sure he is healthy. He loves to stay with me always. He tries to protect me every time. He can feel any upcoming danger for me. He feels so good when he sees me after a while. He expresses this by moving his tail. Importance of a dog. The dog has a very sharp and powerful smelling and hearing ability. That's why they have so much importance in home security. They can bark loudly and can run faster. When they see a stranger near your home, they start barking. Because of their smelling ability, several army and police forces use them to find bombs, drugs, and catching criminals. They can be very good friends and partners for older adults. The dog has a sacrificing mind. They can even sacrifice their lives to save their master. Their loyalty is amazing. They never become a reason for any harm. They respect, love, and stay dedicated to their masters. People who have a herd of sheep or cow, they need to keep a few strong hunting dogs to provide security from fox and wolves. Overall, there is lots of importance of the dog in human life. Conclusion. The dog is found all across the world. People love to have a dog. Personally, I love the dog too and I want to keep more dog as a pet. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.